Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano ang inyong next big break. Ano ang oportunidad na magbubukas para sa inyo anytime soon. This is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. And also, kung interesado kayo sa private reading, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services kapag nag-book kayo from August 15 to 31. Yan, limited slots lang yan guys. Kaya samantalahin nyo na, this is the best time na mag-book kayo for a private reading. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, Leo, ano ang next big break for Leo? Next big break. Ano ang next big break for Leo? The fifth house. Oh, this is your house. House of Leo and the Sun. Creativity and pleasure. I think ang big break mo is finally makakapag-enjoy ka na sa buhay mo. Maaring may mga iba kang na priorities before, pero ngayon, ito na yung big break mo. Makapagbakasyon, makapag-enjoy. Some of you will also be interested sa inyong talento, skill set, or isang hobby, no? Na pwede mo tong maging source of income or pwedeng dito ka sumikat. 'Di ba? Like for example, magaling kang kumanta or magaling ka sumayaw. So you will showcase your talents and your skills. And then people will admire you, no? Oo. Kumbaga, ikaw yung magiging center of attention. You will shine bright like a diamond. Okay, another opportunity for you kung kayo ay gusto niyo magkaanak. Ayan. Kasi fifth house is also about children. So, maaring magkakaroon ng baby. 'Di ba? Pero kung hindi kayo ready, mag-ingat. And then also, this is about relationship. Ito kasi yung fifth house is about dating, no? Maaring meron kang person na, lalabas kayo together to get to know each other na maaring may potential na maging seryoso in the future. Pero kailangan kilalanin mo muna. You have the sixth house. This is the house of Virgo and Mercury. So, yung iba, kasi ito yung trabaho, no? Yung daily routine mo. So, maaring meron kang bagong libangan or bagong routine na ipapasok sa schedule mo. Yung iba, may focus sa inyong kalusugan. Yung iba, fitness. Health and fitness. So, maaring ang opportunity mo ay finally, masusuplayan mo na yung sarili mo ng mga nutritious na pagkain or yung mga supplements, no? Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay mag-gym na. Magsa-start kayo ng gym membership. Magpapa-coach kayo, no? To, para makuha nyo yung inyong goal weight. Ayan. This is also work. Yung trabaho mo, workmates. So, maaring may opportunity ka to be a part of a group kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng work, ng trabaho. You also have the 8th house. This is inheritance. O yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may oportunidad na makuha nyo na yung mana. Oo. Ng inyong, yung mamanahin mo sa parents mo. O sana all may, may inheritance. But this can be anything, no? Pwede tong kalabaw ng tatay mo. O kaya, bahay ng nanay mo. O anything na pwedeng i-pass down sa'yo ng iyong family. Some of you, there's an opportunity for business and investment. So, maaring mag-i-invest ka sa stock market or mag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo. Mag-i-invest ka sa creativity mo, sa talento mo, sa skill set mo. You have the Sun. This is your energy, Leo. Self-expression and vitality. Yes, talagang pinapalakas mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga yung iba sasabihin nila, nag-gym ka kasi gusto mo magpa-sexy, gusto mo gumanda yung katawan mo. Pero hindi dahil doon. Gusto mo kasing maging malakas yung pangangatawan mo. 'Di ba? Iba kasi yung epekto ng talagang na kondisyon mo yung katawan mo eh. Hindi ka sakitin, hindi madaling sumakit yung katawan mo, 'di ba? So nandun talaga yung strength. You have Mars energy. This is physical energy. Yes, that makes sense. So magiging very busy ka, maraming movement. Yung iba sa inyo going to and from, travel here, travel there. And also mas magiging yung may initiation, ano tawag nito? Mag-initiate ka, yung meron kang drive to start new things, to lead. Alam mo yun, na hindi yung parang naghihintay ka lang ng oportunidad, ikaw mismo yung gumagawa ng action. And then you have Neptune. This is your imagination. So you will tap into your imagination para mas ma-manifest mo kung ano talaga yung talento mo na pwede mong dalhin dito sa 3D. Oo. So for example, magaling kang composer. Ayan, magaling kang mag-compose ng mga kanta. May mga umiikot sa isip mo na sounds, na mga lyrics, and you're going to write it down, and eventually, maaring makilala ka sa isinulat mo na kanta. So, tap into your creative talents and skills kasi marami yan. Maraming possibilities. 8 of Pentacles. Speaking of pagiging busy, this is your opportunity to work hard, to master your craft, to be the person na gusto mong maging. And then you have the Wheel of Fortune. This is energy shift. May malaking pagbabago. This is also your destiny. So nag-open yung iyong destiny. Yung parang nagbubukas yung pinto para sa iyong kapalaran, para sa iyong life's purpose. You have the 8 of Wands. Number 8 is very significant sa'yo. 8 is infinity. 8 also is number yan ni Saturn, which is about rewards. So, yung iyong efforts, will be rewarded. Yung mga sacrifices mo, mga ginagawa mo, tinatrabaho mo, it will be rewarded. You have the 3 of Swords, tapos the Emperor. The Emperor, yes. So, yung iba sa inyo, Leo, maaring nagkaroon ng challenges sa relationship or sa trabaho na sinubukan mong ayusin pero hindi talaga na nag-workout. Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi na yun para sa'yo. Meron ka ng new direction na kailangan mong tahakin na kung saan mas secure, mas may plano, mas may magandang patutunguhan. What is the Wheel of Fortune? Oh, speaking of magandang patutunguhan, the Sun. You also have the Death card, which is about transformation, endings, and new beginnings. Meron kailangang i-let go, may kailangang mawala para may magsimula. And yung iba kasi, hindi nila, parang nahihirapan sila natanggapin yon. Kasi iniisip nila yung nawala. And what if, ang isipin mo naman, kung ano yung madadagdag sa'yo, kung ano yung magsisimula para sa'yo. Para mas exciting, 'di ba? Daughter of Pentacles, the 2. Oh, okay. Another thing, another opportunity or big break for you is relationship. Pwedeng makikilala mo to sa work, sa workplace, or sa mga lugar na madalas mong puntahan, or sa pagta-travel mo. And I think, kung sa ano rin to, school, kung ikaw ay may inaaral. A time to give rather than take. You will also share your blessings, which is really good. Kasi, di ba, pag nag-share tayo ng blessings, bumabalik yun sa atin in tenfolds. So, the more you share, the more na blessings na marireceive mo. What do you need to release? Oh my God! Oh, 'di ba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kailangan nyo ng bitawan yan. Kailangan nyo na i-surrender, i-release. Anything that is no longer serving you, anything na hindi mo na kontrolado. Kasi yan yung pumipigil sa pag-unlad mo eh. Subukan mo yung i-release. Nako, parang ang bilis ng magiging progress mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.